in Oval Office meeting with President Trump alongside Field Marshal. How do you see these developments after the diplomatic win that was greatly reflected by Pakistan recently? How do you see this shift in recent times?
Right. Well, I mean, the meeting that the Prime Minister and the Army Chief had with President Trump, I think, reflects the latest phase of this very unexpected but extended resurgence in ties between the U.S. and Pakistan. But I think that we could go broader than that. We've seen not just the meeting between the Prime Minister and the President, but we've also had meetings between Pakistan's crypto czar and Trump administration crypto officials. And also, I understand that the Pakistan Interior Minister met with the FBI chief. So it's a pretty broad-based set of very high-level engagements, which to me suggests that there really is something to this resurgence in ties. The fact that it's happening across so many different areas of focus, with so many officials focused on so many different areas, suggests that at least for now, this revitalization in ties is real.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।